If you have been thinking about starting a side hustle, but the idea of spending a bunch of money upfront makes it feels overwhelming, you are definitely not alone. I totally get it. Sometimes it's hard to wrap your head around the idea of, in order to make money, you need to spend a bunch of money. Because for most of us, starting a side hustle doesn't always mean chasing a big dreams or getting rich overnight. You're probably looking for an extra income to give yourself a room to breathe at the end of the month, or a little experience so you can slowly step away from the job that doesn't fulfill you. I have been there too. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 side hustles that you can start even with $0. Most of this side hustle, I've done it myself, or I've seen it working well for some of other people that I know. So whether you're looking for an extra income or just a fresh start, I hope these videos give you some ideas to take the first step. So let's get into it. The first side hustle I have over here is to teach online or in person. If you're fluent in any language or any subject such as math, music, or even fitness, then you can start teaching. And this is also a perfect side hustle for students. Let's say that you major in science, then you can start teaching biology or chemistry. Fun fact, this is actually my first side hustle ever. I started teaching Chinese Mandarin when I was about 14 or 15 years old, so it is a great way to make extra income as a student. Nowadays, it's also easier to do this because there's a lot of online teaching platforms. For example, Preply, where students can book a one-on-one class with you. The thing that you want to keep in mind is they do take 100% of the fee from your first class, so I know it sucks. After that, they charge 18 to 33%, depends on how many teaching hours you've done. But you can also teach online by yourself if you have the audience, then you can keep 100% of your income to yourself. The other platform is called Superproof, and this is free for the tutors, but students do have to pay for a small fee to contact you. The startup cost for teaching, whether it's online or in person, is $0 because you can use Zoom or Google Meet to teach online. So you practically just need a phone or a laptop. The next side hustle is print on demand. If you're into design or any physical product, then you can create products like mugs, t-shirt, custom bags, and the list goes on without ever touching inventory. And that is the beauty of print on demand. Nowadays, there's a lot of print on demand platforms that will help turn your idea into the actual product. So you just have to upload your design on their website and they're gonna take care of the rest. I did try some of the print on demand platform, and the one that I would recommend is called Gelato. It connects with platforms like Shopify or Etsy and automatically prints and also ship the product when the order comes in. So with this, you only pay when someone buys your product. For example, a mug might cost $8.50 and you sell it for $15, so you keep the profit to yourself. The reason why I recommend Gelato is they don't charge any monthly fees. I have a video where I show you guys the process of creating my own print on demand, so you can check it out after this. And if you decided to use Etsy to sell your product, then there's a 0.20 cent listing fee, and they do take 6.5% of each sale. And the startup cost for print on demand is also $0 because you don't have to pay for anything unless you start making sales, then they're gonna take a cut out of it. Also with Gelato, if you decided to take print on demand more seriously, then they also have the Gelato Plus, which costs $25 per month. With this, they give you 20% off the products, access to premium mockup, mockup studio tool. This is where you can see the physical product, how it would look like before you list your product. I will also leave the link down below where you can use to get some discount with Gelato. The third side hustle is virtual assistant or freelancing. I think this is the quickest way to start making money with the skills that you already have. For example, writing, managing emails, editing videos, customer service, or even admin work. Being a virtual assistant, basically you help business owners or creators with the stuff that they don't have the time for. So this could be answering emails, scheduling posts on social media, managing their calendars, doing some basic research, or even helping them with content, like repurposing videos or creating a Pinterest pins. So this really depends on who you work for, but most of the time, this is the job description for a virtual assistant. The cool thing is you probably already have these skills and you don't need to be an expert to start. But one thing you want to keep in mind is the willingness to learn will play a big role, especially when you work with different type of entrepreneurs. To get started, you can use Upwork. Upwork usually takes 10% out of your earnings. Also, you can use platform like Fiverr. With Fiverr, they do take 20% cut from everything that you earn. But there's also a better way. If you reach out to client directly. So this can be like sending them an email or a DM or even through networking. Then you'll keep 100% of your rate. Bear in mind with this, you definitely want to build your portfolio and show them your CV because most people won't just hire when you just reach out without showing them your previous work. The startup cost is $0. You just need a simple portfolio and profile, and you can use Canva, which is free to build your portfolio. I actually did this when I was taking a gap year in medical school. So I started learning about digital marketing after taking a course, and then I want to start putting all the knowledge and then the skills that I learned into an actual work environment. So that's why I started working for a few small businesses to help them with their social media. And then once you gain your experience and also you have a couple clients, you can start raising your rates. With this, having a digital marketing skills really helps me to start working remotely. So I know a lot of you guys also interesting to find a remote job. And if you want to learn about digital marketing, then I will leave a link to a free masterclass below where you can check it out. Next one is content creation. I obviously have to mention this one because content creation has completely changed my life. It allows me to work fully remote, travel the world, collaborate with brands and businesses. And no, you don't need a huge following to start making money. I started getting paid brand deals with just over 3,000 followers on Instagram. I even wrote a guidebook about how to land collaboration as a micro influencer or a small content creator. This is where I share the step-by-step and also the exact email that I use to negotiate with brands. And all the information in this guidebook has helped me get collaborations all over the world. So obviously you can also just start by yourself, and the startup cost is $0 because all you need is basically your phone and a video editing app like CapCut. Then you can start posting either on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, which has no fee at all. But if you want to skip all the trial and error and just use the method that I use, then I'll leave the link to my guidebook down below. Last but not least is community manager. This is kinda underrated, but honestly there are so many online businesses and creators that are building a private communities these days. Whether it's on Facebook, Circle, School, and they do need people to help running them. As a community manager, your work is to keep the space alive. So you welcome new member, you answer their questions, post a reminder, and maybe schedule a community event or drop fun prompts. This is perfect if you're someone who loves connecting with people and keeping the conversation going. And for this, you don't need a fancy degree or experience. You do need a decent communication skills, and you do need to understand the business models of your clients. So the startup cost for this one is also $0, and you can start by building your portfolio, and you can start over your help to small business owners or coaches, or you can look on platforms like Upwork or we work remotely. You can search keywords like community assistant or membership manager. But there you have it, 5 side hustles that you can start with no money, with $0. There is no excuse to not making extra income, and you can start right away. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what type of side hustle you wanted to get started on this year. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!